the actual build on the site. It's full of rock, as you guys are gonna see here in a minute. And the problem is gonna be what type of foundation we're gonna be able to do. With container homes, you can set them on piers. We've discussed this before. Going through rock and blasting rock is super expensive, sometimes almost insurmountable. So in working with an engineer on something like this, as I'm kind of scanning the area, that's gonna be the trick. Now, helical piers are an option. We can actually drill down through the rock to a certain depth. Obviously, once we have a soils report and a site report, we can kind of determine where we're gonna build and how we're gonna build and what type of pier we're gonna use, how deep those are gonna go, blah, blah, blah. But I gotta see what kind of rock we're dealing with, because if it's that kind of rock to a certain depth, we may not have bearing capacity for even a helical pier. So
Yo, step to my click and get overrun. The weight on my shoulder feels like a ton. This is all I will, fuck a one-on-one. This termination, no vacation. Vibration, create a creation that has nothing to do with religion. It's all part of an intricate system.